In this video I am going to tell you about hamstrings muscles. Parts of hamstring muscles. What is the function of hamstrings muscle? And what should we do when it hurts and produce pain? There are 3 hamstring muscles: Semitendinosus, Semimembranosus, Biceps, femoris. 3 muscles run down the back of your leg, from your thigh to your knee, and help you bend your knee and extend your hip. As a group, they are known as the hamstring. Why are your hamstrings so tight? Every day, we extend the hips in many different ways. The glutes serve as the primary hip extensors, while the hamstrings assist in extension. If the glutes are not working properly or weak, the hamstrings have to compensate by getting involved in the movement more than they should. This overuse of the hamstrings will cause them to fatigue and become tight. Our first inclination is to then stretch the tight hamstrings to restore their flexibility. Only by improving hip function through glute strengthening exercises